Guys, I'm Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an ultimate spring vacation packing guide. I'm going to show you some really cute spring outfits that are perfect for like a little mini vacay and also luggage that I personally recommend bringing with you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more travel vlogs, lifestyle videos, and packing guides. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So one thing I always do before a trip is plan my outfits ahead of time and then pack them so that while I'm on vacation, I can just pull them out and wear it and I don't have to do any like figuring out what to wear, what combo looks the best. So I highly recommend that. It literally saves you so much time on vacation and makes your vacation more enjoyable. And with that said, I also include shoes and accessories, jewelry with the outfit itself and like pack it all together, or take a photo of it, save it to an album in your camera roll, and that way you can like see exactly what outfit you packed and what looks cute together. And I think it's just so much easier and you can actually wear what you intend to. Because like when I'm on vacation, I get lazy and I'm just like, let me just throw that on. But if I have it already packed together, then I throw it on and look really done up, which is great. Okay, so first things first, I have my adorable pink carry-on. This is a textured carry-on from Level 8 Luggage. I do have a discount code with them, by the way, so I'm gonna put it on the screen and I'll also link it in the description below. I genuinely love their luggage. It rolls so smoothly. I've been traveling with it for 2 years now. I've literally brought it all over the world, road trips, plane trips, etc. Like, it's amazing. What I really like about it, 3 things. 1, the designs and colors. They have so much variety. It's just like you could choose exactly what you think is aesthetic, matches your vibe, whatever you want. 2, the way that it glides. Like literally it makes it so much easier. Even when my luggage is 50 pounds, like bringing it into the airport, like it glides so much more smoothly and it's so much easier to maneuver. 3, the space inside. So every single piece that I own of their luggage, which is a lot, is like so roomy inside. It's a lot bigger than it looks, and I found that it's just easier to pack my things. So outfit 1, we have this gorgeous yellow silk dress. It's not too fancy, but it's like fancy enough for a dinner outfit. So I'm gonna pack for a weekend trip and I'm gonna bring 2 dinner outfits. This yellow dress is one of them. I'm gonna show you guys on the model on the website because like this dress is stunning. And I found with maxi dresses, it's so much easier to bring for a dinner outfit because it's like always looks good. Like a maxi dress is always going to look a little bit more elevated and a little bit fancier than a mini dress. If you're with your friends, like mini dresses are great, but maxi dresses are just so much fun. I love them. Anyway, the yellow is the color of spring. Like literally yellow is just going to be in for the spring and summer 2026. Like hot colors are also going to be in. So like bright orange, bright pink, like colors that really stand out. Like think early 2000s vibes, like we're getting away from the 90s. And this is just going to be like one staple piece for this year, especially the warmer months. With this dress, I'm packing these cute little yellow kitten heels, like kitten pumps, if you will, because I love to be matchy-matchy and I think it's just like adorable together. Okay, so say the yellow dress is Friday night. Then we have a daytime outfit. So this is for like exploring, going to lunch, whatever you're doing on vacation. I think this is so cute together. So it's just very like frilly. This little frilly pink top, which can be like on the shoulder or worn off the shoulder. And it's just like so cute. I love these little strings that tie down. And it's also the shape I feel like is really flattering on anybody. Like I'm petite, so like it's going to be flattering on me because it's not going to like accentuate my curves because I don't have that many, but it's gonna like still fit nicely and be cute. But also with somebody that does have like more curves, this would be so stunning on you, literally. Okay. So I'm gonna pair that with this little mini white skirt. I love it. Like this is such a staple piece for the spring. Literally this would match so many of my shirts that I have. Like, and if you are going somewhere that's like not hot, I guess, bring a long sleeve with a mini skirt. I think a long sleeve and mini skirt would look so cute together. Here's what these look like on the model on the website and like I just love. Okay, so now for a pool outfit. I actually grabbed this dress. It wraps right here. Again, the yellow is stunning. This is a bit of a brighter yellow while still having that light hue. I love that it's long sleeve, a little protection from the sun, but more so a style moment. Like this is gonna be off as soon as I get to the pool, but it's also like so stylish. I'm gonna show you a picture of me in it here. So this is like worn as a dress for a date night, and which is great because it's dual purpose, but I actually grabbed it for a swim cover up because like how cute would it be with this bikini? The red with the yellow looks so cute, especially because there's like an open detail right across the front. I think that is just so stunning. Like I love that look, and it's like super playful and fun for spring. Okay, so for both of those outfits, any of the daytime outfits, I'm just bringing one pair of chunky shoes because these will match everything. And I don't love to pack a lot of shoes. Like personally, I'm packing in a carry-on, but also like I just don't like to bring a lot of shoes. I feel like it's just a lot of work, but I'm also kind of lazy. So anyway, these are perfect, just like a neutral pair of wedges. And I think they'll be great for the pool because they're casual. I don't care if they get like wet. And they're also really cute with like any daytime outfit that I have. Okay, so now the next night, let's do a Saturday night dinner outfit. Look at how adorable this is. I'm actually gonna show you me in it because like this dress is so comfortable, first of all. So I love that. Also the hot pink is just like gonna be so in and enviable. It stands out, but it's not like too much. It's fancy, but it's comfy, you know, it's like literally stretchy. I love it. Anyway, this color is definitely it. You have this like sheer detail on the bottom with a slit, which is just, I love this. It makes it like a bit more unique. And then the halter top, I personally don't wear a lot of halter styles, but I do think that it is coming back in. Love this. Also gonna wear this with those wedges. Okay, so Sunday is like a dual day because for us, for a weekend trip, we leave like Sunday evening. So I want like a pool outfit with a cute enough cover up that I can take my swimsuit off and wear the cover up to like lunch or dinner or whatever we do that day, but also is comfy for a road trip or travel. So I know that's a lot of criteria, but I found something great. The outfit is this super low back mini dress. I kid you not, I have this in 5 colors. Yes, 5. Because I love it. I'll show you some pictures of me in it. Like this is just so cute. So this mini dress in polka dots, I think that the black polka dot, first of all, polka dot is also something that's definitely in for spring, definitely a 2026 pattern that is gonna just blow up and I've already been seeing lately. And then just the halter neck with the super low back, like this is so fun, playful, flirty, like I love wearing black when I'm really tan. So I'm gonna pair this with this blue bikini. Like obviously it'll go underneath, but I just think like that hint of blue that might pop out looks so good, especially you'll see the strings in the back because it is backless with the bows and everything. Like there's also bows on the bottom. I just think this is like so cute. And it's gonna look really, really good together. So much fun. And again, I'm gonna wear those same wedges. So literally that's bringing 2 pairs of shoes, which I think is nice. Okay, so as far as accessories go, I'm such an accessories girl. So this is like my hat that I bring on every vacation and it's so great. It's perfect for like beach days or pool days when you just want like a little bit of shade from the sun and also like cute Instagram photos. So it's like bow in the back and it's neutral, so it matches literally everything. I also think the black matches everything pretty much, especially like summery swimsuits. Oh, so cute. And I just feel like it makes me look so sophisticated. Like, and then for spring vacations, I do not wear a lot of jewelry because I feel claustrophobic in jewelry sometimes, and I love jewelry and I will bring my statement pieces for dinners, but during the day at the pool, like obviously just my engagement ring. So statement piece I'm bringing is obviously I'll wear my engagement ring, but then my diamond solitaire necklace. I love this piece so much and I will be wearing this literally all weekend other than at the pool. I'm gonna take it off because I don't want to get it ruined. And then I'll probably bring 4 pairs of sunglasses. So that is just something that I do personally. Like I like to match my sunglasses with my like swimsuits and my outfits. They're only 3 days, so probably three pairs of sunglasses. Yeah, I actually love sunglasses. So, okay, so for bags, you just need one tote and like one clutch or tiny bag for dinners. It's perfect and doesn't take up a lot of room. The tote is also optional. I mean, you don't really need a tote, but if you want to bring a tote, obviously like it'll carry everything and looks super cute. Okay, so that's kind of how I plan my outfits for a weekend vacation, and these are spring outfit ideas. Just makes packing so much easier and just like so cohesive once you're on vacation. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have any fun trips coming up this spring or maybe this summer? Our next trip, we're actually gonna go on like, it's not a staycation because it's like a 4-hour drive, but it feels like so much calmer and more like just gentle than like a full trip. But we're going to Naples, Florida, and we're gonna go on a little weekend trip for our anniversary. We're staying in a resort, just gonna do like massage, like nice dinners, like just so low key. We'll probably bring like a game, just spend time together, and it's just gonna be so much fun. Definitely like the beach and the pool. It's gonna be a hot topic for us. And then in May, we actually have a wedding in Mexico, which is super exciting. Like it's on the Cancun side, but it's north of Cancun. And we're getting married in Cabo in August. So I'm excited to see like a Mexico wedding. So I've never been to a Mexico wedding, even though we are having one. And I'm stoked for that. That'll be so much fun. So look forward to that because I'll probably do a vlog for that one. And as I talk about all the time, I'm such a sun child. So I'm so excited for spring. I'm excited for the weather to finally be like hot every day. It's amazing right now. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to Level 8 for sponsoring this video. I love their luggage so much. And as always, it's linked in the description below. And don't forget to use my code. I'm going to put it right here, but you can use my code on any product at any time and it's good for a long time. So make sure you use that. And I love making videos like this for you guys. So please subscribe and look forward to my travel vlogs. I'm so excited about those. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.